Hello, this is David with Sarah Traverse City. This is a quick video to show you how to use Sarah Traverse City's online appointment booking system. From the home screen of our website, select the red Schedule Service bar. Next, select the brand vehicle in which you would like to schedule and click Schedule Now. The screen will load underneath. Next, select I'm new here, find me, or log me in under an existing username. For the sake of the video, we'll select I'm new here and click the year of your Subaru. Next, select the model, then the trim level, then input accurate mileage so that we can suggest recommended packages for your vehicle. Click Next. This first screen is going to show what package we recommend based on your mileage. If you do not see the service in which you would like to schedule, click below and select your service. Then click Add. Next to continue. Select the advisor if you have a preference. Next, your transportation option. And then select the time and day in which you would like to schedule your appointment. Then click Next. On the left-hand side, it will confirm your appointment time and the services. And on the right-hand side, input your name, email, phone number, and then we can also send you confirmations by your email or through a text message, and then select Book It. And you're all set, and you will receive an email or text message confirmation.